Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Kevin Brown. I'm with All Star Medical, and today we're going to go over Golden Technologies' new folding power wheelchair. It is the Stride GP301. This is going to be a portable device that weighs 52.6 pounds. So it's very lightweight, it's very portable. I want to go over a couple of features first that I really like about this. So they try to do a few things different than most companies on their foldable device. What they have here is they have the ability to raise the arms and flip back like this, which is a unique feature that you don't always see in the folding scooters. Usually it's all locked together. You have the remote, or the joystick I should say, that can go on either side just by adjusting that and popping it in this side, so it can be right or left side. So it's really unique. It has a padded foam seat cushion that comes with it, standard. So it's a nice seat cushion that gives you good support while you're sitting down in it. You will notice that there's a pouch underneath that you have for storage. So this storage, you can put stuff in it, whether it's the charger or anything like that. It's a zip up area there. This has a 265-pound weight capacity, so very easy to fit lots of needs and things like that. We have a operating range of 9.3 miles, so you can go a pretty good distance. I usually like to go on the hours versus the distance. You're gonna get a good 8 hours out of this all day long, probably 10. It does factor in how much the individual weighs or the terrain that you're going on. Has a max speed of 3.7 miles an hour and a turning radius of 23.6. So what I like to show here, I've got it engaged. We'll reset that, turn it right back on. So as we go here, you'll notice it has a real tight turning radius. All I can do is turn right back around just like that. So 23.6, you have your different level speeds, your horn, your battery life is all on this remote, so you can easily deal with it, things like that. It's got your the charger, which is in the back pocket here, a very small charger, fits right in there. Another pouch that you can put things in, comes with a seat belt as well. What I was doing on the back side here is I was actually disengaging the motors. They were actually disengaged. So if I do this, you'll notice that beeping. But what that allows you to do is push this back and forth. One of the unique things that it has these little triggers that allow you to set the anti-tippers further back or push them up out of the way, depending on the terrain you're dealing with and things like that. So it's got a unique little anti-tip device on there. And since I'm back here, I'm going to show you the springs on the back. It has springs on the front wheels and on the back right here. And then if I just lift this like this, this is what's going to allow this to fold. And what's nice is when I sit it just like this, it stays upright. You'll notice the pole down there on the bottom allows this to stand without any assistance or anything like that. You got your footrest here. And then since I've got this up here, I want to show you, this is probably the best image to do. This is where the battery is. So your battery's right there. I believe it weighs 3.8 pounds. So you'll take off a few pounds when you're dealing with that. You'll also notice under here that this seat sling that's underneath here can be Velcroed to keep the seat sling from having a hammocking effect. So it's a nice little feature. You can tighten that up. But the battery's real small, got all the information. It will actually tell you what's going on. So if there's one beep, two beeps, or whatever it may be, it tells you what's happening. And so if there's a quick issue or an issue, you'll be able to see it right on the battery pack of what's going on there. You'll notice the suspension on the front wheels that I mentioned just a minute ago. You do have them on the front end. And then you see how easy it folds right back. So they've done a really good job on this. I'm gonna look here just so I don't mess up the warranty information. Your warranty on the frame is 5 years. Drivetrain is 13 months. Electronics is 13 months, and your batteries are 12 months. The battery that we have there is a 10 amp, 24 volt lithium ion battery. It comes in black. You have your flat free tires, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. They've really done a good job for this unit. You'll be able to get this from us at allstarmedicalllc.com. You can also come into one of our stores. We have locations in Hermitage and Brentwood, Tennessee right now. And if you have questions about the unit, you can comment below, or you can give us a call at 615-730-9438. We appreciate you watching the video, and have a great day.